Happy Friday to us. Happy Friday to us. So, hello, beautiful girlfriends, beautiful souls. Come in, and join me with some good tea. Nah, not the tea you think about. I'm talking about some good ginger tea, that is. Yes. Mm-hmm. Let's sip on some ginger tea. So, hello, welcome to Financial Flowing Forward Fridays with Maria, your benefitter. And here I hope to shift your mindset and help you grow your money habits with the protection of insurance. And it's all about your well being and about doing it one smart decision at a time. Again, hello, welcome. I am Maria, your benefitter. I am your insurance lady and advisor, and I'm also your wellness advocate. Self love first. And so here I help you see insurance through a whole new lens. I hope to help you view insurance differently, but also not as just a policy, but as a powerful part of your financial wellness and your financial strategy and your well-being. So let's talk about protecting our peace in this way, in the form of preserving our income as well, and building a lifestyle that you love. And that is also how insurance can help you do all of those things, right? So today, let's talk about one of the biggest threats that pose to your financial well-being. And I don't think it's really being talked about enough, and that is medical bankruptcy. And there is a connection. So let's talk about the connection between insurance and your financial peace of mind and how to invest in one of the greatest assets you have. And that asset is you. You are your greatest asset. So let's look at some facts for a moment because numbers don't lie. And that quote comes from a friend that has been teaching me about numbers. And I want to thank him because he is true. Numbers don't lie. And so the data that I researched, okay? And so here, according to a study from the American Journal of Public Health, I have monitors all around because, like I said, I do offer virtual insurance advising in 10 states. So, over 66% of bankruptcies in the U.S., 66% are tied to medical issues, either from the cost of care, I can understand that too, or the time lost from work. That makes sense, right? Because if you're sick and you can't work, you're not making money. So that means there's 2 out of every 3 bankruptcies. And here's what's wow. Most people actually had insurance. Okay, so here's the thing, because I hear people, oh, insurance is a scam. And so there you just confirmed that. No. What does that tell us? It's not telling you that insurance is a scam. It's saying that it's not just about having insurance. It's about having the right kind of insurance and understanding how it fits and how it will benefit into your financial protection and strategy. Okay? So let's shift the perspective of a little bit, right? So what if we viewed insurance not as a bill? Because it's about mindset, it's about how you see things. But view it as a shield, a protection shield. And so let me explain. So what you talking about, Maria Benefiter? Because it is a bill. No. You're protecting the greatest asset. So if you get sick and can't work, disability insurance helps replace your income. So you're out, but you have money coming in. If you're hospitalized, indemnity plans or critical illness coverage can send you cash benefits directly. So those cash benefits can cover the things that your regular health insurance is not contracted to cover. And if you have a high deductible, a supplement plan can help cover those gaps. So if you got a $7,500 deductible and you go into the hospital, that has to be met. You have to pay that. So that's when you can fill in the gap. So all of these tools help protect your income, your lifestyle, and your savings. And this is what I mean about wealth protection. And it should be a part of your financial strategy, okay, to continue to help take care of your financial well-being. Okay, I emphasize again, invest in the greatest asset, and that is you. So let me ask you something, because we're doing this all the time. If you had $1 million car, would you insure it? Of course you would, because you don't want to lose that $1 million. You don't want to lose that, $1 million. Like, you're not going to insure that. So then why not insure your ability to earn? Why not insure your body? Why not insure your peace of mind? Again, because you are your greatest asset. And for single moms, you are your greatest asset in that household if it's just you. That's one income. So it's about your health, it's about your energy, it's about your mindset, it's about your ability to make income and make decisions and build a legacy. And so without you functioning well, none of these financial goals will even matter. So investing in yourself doesn't just mean getting massages. I just remember, I'm including the massages. It's okay to get them because we all want to feel good. We all want to feel that. Bubble baths, they work for me. But it just doesn't mean getting massages, bubble baths, manicures, pedicures, and facials. It means protecting yourself before a crisis happens. We want to be proactive and not reactive. It means having that life insurance policy. It means also having that critical illness rider on there, or living benefit on it as your backup plan. And this is not about being fear-based. This is about faith and wisdom and action, okay? But at the end of the day, when it comes to life insurance, there's only one way out. And are you protecting the greatest asset, yourself? So here are some practical steps in our Financial Flowing Friday strategies. So let's bring this home with a few simple but powerful steps that you can take. Number one, we have to know our numbers. Yeah, I know he's going to talk. Yeah, I get this from you. We have to know our numbers. So what is your health insurance deductible? And do you have a supplemental coverage to help you with that deductible? Or do you have the $7,500 to whatever your deductible is to pay it out of your pocket? You have to evaluate your financial risk. So what if you couldn't work for 60 days? So would you still have income coming in? What's the emergency plan? And I'm speaking to myself as well. These are things that I have to ask myself. And these are things that I'm working on as well. So you ask yourself, what would my family need if something happened to me, right? Life insurance is love insurance. It gives you your loved one's options, not stress, because it's a stressful time. So meet with a trusted advisor, someone who gets both wellness and your well-being and your wealth. Hey, that's me. But no, seriously, book a session with me to review your protection plan. There's no pressure. It's just guidance. Okay? I am a safe space. Anybody will tell you I do not pressure anyone. So yeah. Thank you for joining today on today's Financial Flowing Friday. And so you know I'm always going to have a little affirmation. So today's affirmation is, I invest in myself because I am my greatest asset. I protect my future and with wisdom and love. Oof. So your health is wealth. Your peace of mind is priceless. And your well-being matters. Self-love first. Your well-being physically, emotionally, mentally, financially is so worth protecting. And so it also helps us live a more balanced life. So make sure you subscribe. I want you to drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and also share this with another sister girlfriend who needs to be reminded that self-love first, regard your well-being as a priority, and prevention is protection. Right? So I hope you would like and share. And until next time, let's go, let's glow on. Thank you for joining, Maria, your benefiter. I'm out. Self-love her first. Mind, soul, and body.